This looks like plastic.
I think they're gorgeous.
I would never serve this to anyone.
Hi, I'm Caroline.
And I'm Lisa.
And today we're gonna try some non-traditional Easter candies.
Yep, all of our favorites are going in our baskets, and the rest are rotten eggs.
So let's get started.
Let's hop to it.
Hop, hop, hop. I can't do that.
These are Nerds big, chewy jelly beans.
Are they like the ropes covered in Nerds?
No.
Ooh, okay.
They're a very different experience, but
Okay. Mmm. Soft center.
yep,
Whoa.
these are great.
These are very fun. And next up, we are going to try some key lime pie M&Ms. I think these are going to be interesting.
I'm concerned. I just picture a goo in the middle and that's it. So I guess let's find out.
Oh, I like them. I like these.
I like it, but I feel like the more I would eat, the more I would not want to.
Fierce cinnamon. I love that. If there's one thing you want at Easter, it's fierceness. Next up, we have some hot tamales, Peeps.
I just want
for
to know
Easter.
Who was asking for these?
You know, I can't answer that. I'm sorry.
It was like, I love Peeps, but I would like them more if they were coated in a red dust. Oh, they do smell like a hot tamale. They are very spicy smelling. All right, I'm just gonna go. I did not do the whole thing.
It's cinnamon. It's quite fierce cinnamon, but in a real fierce way. I'm gonna have to say goodnight to this.
Don't do the whole thing. Those were bad. Next up, the candy everyone loves to hate, the black jelly bean. We'll see if they're actually as bad as we all expect.
The black jelly beans are the ones that were always left over in the bag.
This is dad candy or grandpa candy.
Oh no, I kind of like it.
Like, it's not as bad as I thought, but never again.
I do not mind these as much as I thought I would, but I'm gonna skip them for my Easter basket.
I never show these to me.
All right, yeah, all right.
So next up, Easter classic, Cadbury mini cream eggs, a full dozen.
I love a hollow chocolate moment. Cadburys are great because they're hollow and they still have stuff in them.
Never had a cream egg before.
This is fun. I'm very excited for you. Yeah.
Oh my God, it's got a yolk.
Yeah, it's an egg.
But what is the cream?
It's cream. Yeah, I like these.
Maybe a little too real for me. I was not expecting the yolk. I shouldn't have had multiples of some of these.
All right, next up, we have some lemon crisp Kit Kats. I'm interested. I think I can't talk anymore. I have real high hopes for these. Yeah, I like these. It tastes like the filling of the old Girl Scout cookie lemon cookies when it was a sandwich cookie.
Yes.
They're fresh for Easter.
They're very fresh, but I don't think I will put them in my basket.
Yeah, I'm gonna take them all. Wow, yeah, these are fun. All right, next up, we have some Oreo carrot cake flavored. Now this is gonna be interesting. It's either gonna be super sweet like cake or, that's nice, or cream cheesy.
I mean, this isn't even a candy, but I'll allow it.
All right, I'm just gonna go for it.
This tastes just like a cinnamon cookie.
Okay, Oreo. Yeah, wow, not bad.
These were advertised as cinnamon roll Oreos. Love it.
Spot
As a
on.
carrot cake.
Yeah, I like them. I'm gonna add them.
I'm torn. I'm gonna say no. I'm gonna be very choosy. I've never heard of these ones before. Peeps Lollipop rings.
I mean, for how large the bag is, I don't think it necessarily has to
I
be
don't
that
like
big.
it. This looks like plastic. I do not like an opaque lollipop. Ugh.
I think they're gorgeous.
Oh, so bad.
What?
Tastes like the way baby powder smells.
Okay. Hints of baby powder.
I would never serve this to anyone.
Yeah.
This is
Yeah, I
bidding.
think we're gonna skip these ones.
Those are just actively bad. I'm into
That's
it.
candy. Yeah.
Okay, that's going in mine. I really love these.
I almost broke my teeth.
That's so satisfying little crunch.
Oh, worth
Alright.
it. Oh yeah, I like these.
You can have all of them. That's
Here are Easter baskets.
Yeah.
So fun. Love
yours
them.
is over the top, overflowing. I haven't had Easter candy in 3 years. I'm not gonna like a lot. Overfull.
Likes everything almost. Yeah, I guess I was just really jonesing for some Easter candy and I didn't realize. So let us know which one you would rather have this Easter, my basket of candy.
Or my basket.
And we'll see you guys next time.
Yeah, and tell us your favorite Easter candies in the comments because we
Yes.
want to know like what we're missing out on and how we can make our baskets
Even
more
grander.
extreme. Yeah.
Awesome.
right.
All right. Bye, guys.
See ya.
All right.
Ugh.
I'm going to go eat all of this. Bye.